What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to apply for a Schengen visa from the UK. Step 1. Complete the online application. You'll need to go over to the official visa website for the Schengen country you are applying through. Then you'll need to create an account, log in and create a new application. Select a short stay visa, usually less than 90 days, and your primary destination country. Then next, you'll need to accurately complete all sections, including your travel plans, personal information, passport details, your job or employer information, and any previous visa history. After that, you'll need to focus on your accommodation and funding. So go ahead and enter your hotel or accommodation details and confirm you have sufficient funding for the trip. At the end of this stage, you'll need to review and save. Somewhere along the line, you'll need to take note of the supporting document and save the application because you'll be coming back to it and completing the process. So after saving the application, you need to keep the generated FRA number handy. Now, this is a specific application reference number generated during this stage, so hold on to it. Now, in stage 2, you'll need to book your appointment. Search the visa application center for the country you are applying to. Then you'll need to register and log in to this separate visa appointment website. After that, create an application and then enter the FRA number as indicated in the first phase and select your desired appointment slot. It is recommended to make your booking early in the morning. Once your appointment is booked, return to the first website. Then check the box to confirm that you have an appointment and submit the application to the visa center. This will generate a PDF of your application and the final documents checklist. Stage 3. Collect and prepare your documents. So at this point, you'll need to gather the original and photocopy of the following required documents: your passport and BRP or visa, your photograph, preferably one recent passport style photograph, financial proof, preferably the last 3 months of bank statements, employment proof, also last 3 months of pay slips, and a letter from your employer confirming current employment. Travel itinerary. This would be your return flight and travel tickets and a detailed itinerary of your trip. Accommodation proof. This could be hotel or hostel bookings for the duration of your stay. Travel insurance. You'll need to have a valid travel health insurance which must be purchased and a copy carried. Then you also need to have, of course, the printed PDF of your application and the checklist. And the last step is to attend the appointment. So go ahead and arrive at the visa application center with all these documents as mentioned, and an official will review and collect all your documents and photocopies. Go ahead and pay the visa fee, complete the final steps by having your fingerprints and a photo taken. And you can track the status of your application online using the visa website. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to apply for a Schengen visa from the UK.